KODIKodi fans have been left fearing the Premier League could get hands on their names, and addresses KODI fans are fearing the Premier League will soon be getting hold of their names and addresses as the online piracy crackdown continues. The KODI surge continues without any sign of stopping as users continue to ditch paid TV services for the online player. Research has suggested KODI, which offers access to thousands of channels, is being used in more than 5 million UK homes. KODI software is not illegal, but developers can produce third-party add-ons that provide free access to pirated and illegal content. These apps allow users to stream premium content, like paid-for sports, movie channels and TV shows for free. The illegal add-ons are being targeted by ISPs, government agencies, broadcasters and rights holders. And now users of one streaming service that had its own dedicated KODI add-on are fearing that their details will be passed over to the authorities soon. Express.co.uk this week reported on how IPTV firm Ace Hosting until recently had enabled customers to stream Premier League games illegally. But now the service, which had its own KODI add-on, is no longer available after going into liquidation. The Premier League told Express.co.uk that Ace had agreed to pay them £600,000 for breaching the league's copyright. Along with the huge payment, Ace voluntarily disclosed the personal details of their customers. Liquidators are now in the process of deciding whether to hand over subscribers' personal details to the Premier League or the authorities. Documentation Torrent Freaks revealed customer details could be passed on to relevant authorities if there is any suggestion of unlawful conduct. It read, "Creditor claims have not yet been adjudicated, but we estimate that the majority of customers who paid for subscription services will receive less than £3 if there is a distribution to unsecured creditors. Furthermore, customer details will be passed to the relevant authorities if there is any suggestion of unlawful conduct." On a Reddit page dedicated to Ace TV, subscribers have already reported getting letters from the liquidators. And there are fears that subscribers' details could soon be handed over to the Premier League, or even already have been passed over. KODIKodi is perfectly legal, but third-party apps can provide access to illegal pirated content. One Reddit user started the discussion off by saying, "Hey, anyone get an email from Big B's trainer about getting refunded as they are voluntary liquidation company? Looks suspect." To which one Redditor responded, "Bit worried about the line about my details being given to the Premier League, anyone heard of anything similar happening before?" While another posted, "Think they will try and go after people individually to scare people? They will always try and make an example." And one wrote, "I can sadly confirm they have sent the list to the lawyers, which sounds like the EPL will receive them." Regarding subscriber details being passed on, one Reddit user asked, "Would this affect UK customers of Ace or International too?" To which another responded, "It could affect all on list depending on what action they take." Express.co.uk has contacted liquidators Big B's trainer for the latest on whether Ace subscriber details will be passed over to the Premier League.